Hello, my name's Dr. John Horn. I'm a practicing general dentist from Schuylkill County, Pennsylvania. I've been here for over 32 years. My father started this practice in the 1960s, and we've been in service over 50 years. So this is a family dental practice, Horn Family Dental, and we take care of families through all stages of life, from young children to older adults. The reason I've chosen BISCO as my preferred dental product provider is that they stand behind their products and they are all engaged in what they're selling and offering to the dental market. My experience with BISCO is when I call them, I can speak to a product expert, and I've actually done that. BISCO's direct-to-you pricing model saves me money because I can just pick up the phone and call them directly and not have to go through a third party to order my products. BISCO's customer support, I've been able to call them directly and speak to a subject matter expert who's directly involved in the research and development of their products. And in one case we talked about bonding sensitivity issues and the total etch versus selective etch technique. You know, that's BISCO. Your opinion matters. They will listen to you. I like being a part of their development process. They truly care about what the general dentist out there needs and wants. I've been practicing general dentistry for over 32 years, and my philosophy it's not always about how much money it costs, but what the quality of the product is. And I believe that's also BISCO's philosophy. One of the best parts about BISCO's direct-to-you promise is that they'll give you 100% money back if you're not satisfied with their product. And I've never sent anything back. I would recommend BISCO products to any of my fellow colleagues. They're competitively priced, and the technical support is there to allow you to achieve predictable results each and every time. BISCO provides that personal touch.